So today we will be discussing perimeter of a square. So we all know that perimeter of a square or square has four sides, but we don't need to be stuck only in that information because we have three things that need to remember in order to get the perimeter of a square. So if you're watching right now, I want you to get your notebook and your pencil because we will be answering some of the following questions over here after this slide. So let's proceed to number one. Square has four congruent or equal sides. When you say congruent or equal, all the sides of that square are the same. Number two, in order to get the perimeter of a square, you have to know two kinds of formulas. Number one, P stands for perimeter is equal to 4 times S, or S stands for side. Next is P, or perimeter, is equal to 4S. So what is the difference between the two is that number one, or formula number one, it's using multiplication symbol or letter X. And number two, it doesn't use any kind of symbol. However, number 4 and letter S are written side by side. Therefore, it is expressed in, very good, it's expressed in multiplication. Now let's proceed to number 3. Always include the unit measures in your final answer, because in that way, we are giving the name of that number. Just for example here, 34 meters, 12 feet, 10 inches, so on and so forth. It depends on the unit measure of that number in every kind of solution. So if you're ready now, if your books or notebook are ready, let's proceed to question number 1. As you can see here, we have 10 inches, 10 inches, 10 inches, and 10 inches. So let me get my marker first, then let's answer on the board. Okay? So S is equal to 10 inches because, as I said, facts number 1, all the sides are the same. Same in number and same in, very good, same in unit measure. So let's answer. 4 times, what is the value of S again? It's 10 inches. Don't forget to put inches. So 40 times 10 is equal to 40 inches. So don't forget to box or circle your answer or your final answer. Now let's proceed to number 2, or second formula. In this way, we will see what I mean that they are all the same, though they are written in different forms. So 4, by the way, in order to separate two numbers, you have to put open and close parentheses. Okay? What is the value of S? Is 10 inches. So 4 times 10 is, very good, it's still 40 inches. See, though the formula are written in different forms, but the answer are all the same. Now, I challenge you to do second question. Okay, you can answer it in your notebook or even in any kind of notebook. So, yeah. So you can send me a message or picture or comment in the comment section below. And by the way, tomorrow, I want you to do your homework, okay? In number 2 and number 3 in your arithmetic math book or arithmetic math book on page 253. If you have any question, you can just comment below or message me directly. Thank you so much. God bless you.